Hello everybody. In this video, I will show you how you can make this kind of premium qualities resume without any use of template, PLP, plugins or any other else.
And all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right, we were so young.
Type here, RxRESU.me.
Right, staying awake till the sun.
At first, register from here.
Couldn't stop us, like a good drug, never run. We hook up in my car, drive it so far, play your guitar, you'd show me your art, let down our guards, think with our hearts, stare at the stars, we were never apart, drinking too young, way too much fun, out in the sun, orbit when it's gone, took you to prom, dance to
Create your username.
all night long till the lights come on.
Now fills all gap as your identity. Select a formal image for your resume.
It's too late now, I remember everything, and how careless we could be, and how careless we,
You can change your picture frame shape.
and how careless we could be.
And also can add a border. Scale the image as your demand.
And how careless we could be. And how careless we could be. Late nights, long fights, it felt right, we were alive. We would go out, we were so loud, we were so proud, we had no doubts. Weekends,
Add your website's link if you have.
our own way.
Type a short bio about yourself.
We were fearless, we were reckless, time was precious. We loved to waste time, whiskey and wine, drinking all night, asleep by your side. Finally alive, we would just drive, never arrive. Our journey was live, staying out late, testing our fate, running away. We live for today, young and so bold, never get old. Screw what we're told, we can't be controlled.
Add here your social media's username. If you have multiple accounts, then add these also.
It's too late now, I remember everything, and how careless
Add all work experience do you have.
and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be. And how careless we could be. And how careless we could be.
Add here all about your institutions with your gained grade point.
And how careless we could be.
It's too late now. I remember you and me. and how careless we
Yeah.
could be.
All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright, staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us, like a good drug, never run off.
We'd hook up in my car, driving so far, play your guitar, you'd show me your art, let down our guards, think with our hearts, stare at the stars, we would never
Add all skill, such as Microsoft Office, Adobe, etc.
out in the sun, or rain when it's gone, took you to prom, dance to our song, dance all night long till the lights come on.
It's too late now, I remember everything.
Mention these languages, which languages you can communicate properly.
Could be, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be. And how
Mention all things with details you are interested in.
Late nights, long fights, it felt right, we were alive. We would go out, we were so loud, we were so
If you have any reference, then attach it.
weekends and weekdays, we'd spend our own way. We were careless, we were fearless, we were reckless, time was precious.
We loved to waste time, whiskey and wine, drinking all night, asleep by your side, finally alive, we would just drive, never arrive, our journey was live, staying out late, testing our fate, running away, we live for today, young and so bold, never get old, screw what we're told, we can't be controlled.
In this side, you'll get many option. As such, change font style, change font size, and also change the theme of your resume. You can change also your resume's paper size. After all customization, check all template.
It's too late now, I remember everything, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could,
Then download from here the chosen one.
and how careless we could be.
Done. See? That looks so awesome now.